Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and look what I have here, my exclusive hands-on of the Huawei Mate X2. I have not seen this anywhere else on YouTube so far, so maybe it's the first of this incredible foldable device from Huawei with an 8-inch internal 90Hz display and a 6.45-inch outer display. This is a better Galaxy Z Fold 2, guys, in almost every way. In terms of the hardware, it is just an impressive device. No camera on the inside, but look how you close this thing up, and then you have this amazingly just beautiful design. I mean, the industrial design of this thing is on another level. And guys, I was shaking the entire time I was filming this video. Why? Because I had a 10-minute hands-on with this device before it was about to be sold for $4,500 US. We're talking a markup for this phone. Incredible. And a camera test here with this beast with a 50 megapixel f1.9 main camera. You also have an 8 megapixel 10 times optical zoom, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto. And guys, I gotta tell you, just in the short time I was using the cameras on this device, they are flagship level, basically as good as anything that we've seen from Huawei, like the Mate 40 Pro. And it's just showing you guys the zoom you can do, 16x, but even going up to 100x on this Huawei Mate X2. But my one nitpick is this double punch hole cutout on the front. Not a big fan. But yes, those dual cameras do allow for a 16 megapixel f2.2 wide and full HD video as well. Now, I would have loved to see just a single punch hole there, but look at the build quality of this device with gorgeous metal rails and tiny bezels. Now, I was using this one-handed while filming with the other hand, and you can tell it's a cumbersome device to use just with one hand. But let me tell you, with these tiny bezels, the display looks immaculate. It just looks so impressive, and I think, you know, if this ever did make it to Western markets, it would absolutely destroy the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And here you see the dynamic refresh rate it's using, 90 Hz. What an incredible device. A quick hands-on here, but hit me up in the comments your thoughts of this amazing Huawei Mate X2. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching this one, guys. And this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.